Hi, my name is Mohammed Noman Hussain. I live in Malaysia for last 10 years, and professionally I'm a businessman and a PhD holder. And then over the last 2-3 years I was very concerned about my hair, since it start to hair loss, so it's gradually becoming more and more. And then I start to search on the internet the right place to do a hair transplant, to get a consultant with the doctors. So I went to some places in Malaysia, but the place I feel that it was quite expensive. So I start to research on internet about in Bangladesh, hair transplant place in Bangladesh. So finally I found a place where it is originated, one of the Indian hair transplant. So I start to communicate with them through WhatsApp. And then at one point I came in Bangladesh, and then I consulted with the doctors. Doctors advised me to do a hair transplant. It was very minor hair transplants because the hair, I didn't have a fully baldness actually on the front side. So at one point I did a hair transplant, and it was very, very smooth. And then totally I didn't feel any pain at all. Because I heard the hair transplant is very painful. But once I come here, it's changed. It's really, I found it's very opposite. No pain at all. It's a painless, zero painless. So, and then place is very welcoming. Staff are very friendly, and then they try their level best to give the best services. So I'm very satisfied, and then I'm encouraging everyone to come here. If you really look for a reasonable hair transplant, you must come here, visit here, because it's originated from India. So thank you.